Hi, good morning, Nana. Today we are going to discuss algebra of matrices objective last class. Objective algebra of matrices last class. Today I will complete the algebra of matrices objective. Tomorrow means Saturday. I will take the Zoom class. రేపు నేను జూమ్ క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటాను అప్ టు ఆల్జిబ్రా ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. మీరు ఓన్లీ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫికేషన్ కోసమే టుమారో క్లాస్ జూమ్ క్లాస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను మీతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవడానికి. ఓకేనా? అది వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, మీ డౌట్స్ మొత్తం వన్ పర్టికులర్ పేపర్ మీద రాయండి. ఆ డౌట్స్ అనే క్లాస్లో అడగండి. ఐ విల్ క్లారిఫై యువర్ డౌట్స్. ఓకేనా? ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం? న్యూ కమర్స్కి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. You can see the video. If you want the videos, YouTube links means I will send the YouTube links. Okay? Coming to, shall I start the class now? Okay, very good. First question. A is given I 0 0 0 I 0 0 0 I. It is a scalar matrix. So every diagonal elements are equal to I. All non-diagonal elements are 0. From this I common, we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is capital A equal to small I. I is the imaginary number. This is the identity matrix denoted by capital I. They are asking A power 4n plus 1. That is I into capital I whole power 4n plus 1. This is the I power 4n plus 1 into capital I matrix. This is a small I imaginary number. This is a capital I is the identity matrix 4n plus 1. See here, identity matrix you can multiply any number of times. That is always I. Identity matrix you have to multiply any number of times. That is always I. So this is the value is capital I. Now what about this I power 4n plus 1? I power 4n plus 1. This small I is the imaginary number. Since the I square value is minus 1. This is I power 4n into I. I power 4n can be written as I square whole power 2n into I. I square value, this small I is the imaginary number. Small I square value is minus 1 whole power 2n into I. Minus for even number is plus. So minus for even number you have the plus. So plus into I is I have. So this is the I into I power 4n plus 1 is capital I. So that is capital A. What is the value of capital A? Small I into capital I. So this is a small a, capital A. Therefore A power 4n plus 1 equal to capital A. You have to copy it. Coming to next question. Capital A matrix is given 0 0 1 1. Then find the value of A plus A square plus A cube and so on. A power n is asking. You have to find the A square. A is capital A, that is 0 0 1 1. A square you have to find, that is A into A, that is 0 0 1 1 into 0 0 1 1. Row into column you can multiply. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. Next, first row into second column, 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. Next, second row into first column, 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Second row into second column, 1 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 you have 1. This is already A. So A square you got the A. A square equal to A means that is A is idempotent obviously. If you take A cube, that is A square into A. A square value is what? You got it already A. A into A. That is also A square. A square means A. A power 4. That is A cube into A. A cube value you got it A. A into A. A square. A square and again A again like up to A power n is also A. Therefore A plus A square plus A cube plus a power 4 plus and so on, a power n. This is the a, this is also a, this is also a, this is also a, up to and so on, this is also a. This up to n times you have. If you take 2, 3 you can adding by 2 times. What is 3 plus 3 plus 3? 2 times of 3. If you take 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 times of 3. If you add 3 4 times, 4 times of 3 will get. If you add the 3 5 times, 5 times of 3 will get. Like a, how many times you are adding? N times. So this is the n times of a. Copy it. Coming to next question. Sorry, Nana. Say, matrix A is given, then find the conjugate of A is asking. Matrix A is given, then you have to find the conjugate of A. Conjugate of A, see, in the matrix, replace by complex number into its conjugate. In the square matrix, replace complex numbers into its conjugate. A plus IB, conjugate number is A minus IB. A plus IB, conjugate number is A minus IB. A minus IB, conjugate number is A plus IB. A plus IB unte IB for plus unte minus iskondi, minus unte plus petandi. Now conjugate of A is one plus I before plus is there. In the conjugate we get the minus 1 minus I. 2 minus 3I have. Minus is there. Then I before we can take the plus 2 plus 3I. Only real number. Real number means don't change the real number. Same as 4. 7 plus 2I. Replace with 7 minus 2I. Plus and minus pattern. Minus I is imaginary number. So minus is there, plus I you have to take it. Next 3 minus 2I, conjugate number is 3 plus 2I. Means a matrix obtained by replacing the complex number to its conjugate numbers. A matrix obtained by replacing the complex numbers to its conjugate numbers is called the conjugate of the given matrix. It's called the conjugate of the given matrix. Copy it. Conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. Conjugate of A minus IB is A plus IB. Now coming to next one. See this. A is a skew symmetric matrix is given and N is the odd positive integer is given. Skew symmetric matrix means obviously A transpose equal to minus A. They asked to find A power N. You have to take A power N whole transpose. This can be written as A transpose whole power N. A transpose, what is the value of A transpose? You have minus A power N. K into A power N is K power N into A power N. K is any scalar. K is any scalar means real number. In place of K you have minus 1 is there, so minus 1 whole power N into A power N. But what is N is given? Since N is odd, N is what is given? Odd. N అనేది ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు అన్న? Odd అని ఇచ్చాడు. Minus 4 odd number is minus. So this is the minus A power N. Therefore A power N whole transpose equal to minus A power N. That means A power N is skew symmetric matrix. దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తే దాన్ని స్క్యూ సిమెట్రిక్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటాను అన్న. కాపీ ఇట్. Comment next question. A is any matrix is given. Satisfy the condition A into A transpose equal to 9 into I. A into A transpose equal to 9 times of identity matrix is given. So A is 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 A 2B into A transpose means first row change I can write as a column 1 2 2. First row ni column ga రాయండి. సెకండ్ రో యూ హ్యావ్ రైట్ యాజ్ ఎ కాలమ్. సెకండ్ రోని సెకండ్ కాలమ్గా రాయండి. థర్డ్ రోని థర్డ్ కాలమ్గా రాయండి. equal to 9 times of identity. Left side you have 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 columns on identity matrix. Left side 3 rows, 3 columns. Right side go 3 rows, 3 columns identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, Randy. Now they are asking to find a square into a square plus b square. A square means a into a. First matrix lo a, second matrix lo kuda a multiply avvala. B square means b into b. So first matrix where is a? In third row, a and b. But second matrix where is a and b? In third column. So you have to multiply third row into third column. Compare with the third row third element. Third row into third column. See, third row a into a square plus 2 2s are 4 plus b into b square equal to 9 into 1 9. So a square plus b square equal to 9 minus 4, that is a 5. A square plus b square equal to 9 minus 4, that is a 5. Copy it. Now product of 3 matrices is given 0. So you can multiply the 3. What is given? Row into first column. First row into first column is first row first element. 2 into x 2x plus 4 into 1 4 plus 0. First row into second column is first row second element. 1 into x plus 4 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. First row into third column you can multiply. First row third element will get x into 0 0, 4 into 2 8, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 equal to into x 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Again row into column you have to multiply. This is the 2x plus 4 x minus 2 8 minus 4 4 into x 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Row into column you have to multiply. 2x plus 4 into, that is a 2x plus 4 into x plus 4 into x minus 2 4 into minus 1 minus 4 equal to right side 0. Equate with the 0. 2x into x 2x square plus 4x minus 8 minus 4 equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 8x minus 12 equal to 0. 2 common, x square plus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. You have to do the factorization. Factorization is not possible. So x square plus 4x minus 6. So you can use the minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. What is a value have? 1. B value 4. C value is minus 6. X formula, what is the formula have? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is the minus b means minus 4 plus or minus b square means 4 square 16 minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into minus 6 minus 24. Minus into minus plus 24 by 2 into 1. So 24 plus 16 40. 40 can be 2 root 10. 2 root 10. So numerator 2 common, we get final answer we have minus 2 plus or minus root 10 is the answer. Minus 2 plus or minus root 10 is the answer. Copy it. Coming to next question. A is given skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. In the skew symmetric matrix, you can take any order. All the principal diagonal elements are equal to 0. In the skew symmetric matrix, all the principal diagonal elements are equal to 0. They are asking sigma aii. So sigma aii means a11 plus a22 plus a33 plus and so on, A and N, since order N is given. Okay, Nana? All diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal elements means first row, first element 0, second row, second element 0, third row, third element is 0, fourth row, fourth element is 0, nth row, nth element is 0. So these all values are 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, up to and so on 0. That is 0. This is a skew symmetric matrix, Nana. For example, you have 0, A12, A13. These are something you have different. Whatever the same sign you have, I given already to you. In the definition I explained already. A12 position, A21 position, same magnitude but opposite sign you have. Like that, n by n matrix will get. So sum of all diagonal elements in the skew symmetric matrix, simply in the skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 0. So sum of all diagonal elements should be equal to 0 only. Now coming 25. The number of 2 by 2 matrix they are asking. So A is a 2 by 2, that is 2 rows, 2 columns, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22. This suffix symbol meaning is the first row first element, first row second element, second row first element, second row second element. So A11 can fill the number of 2 by 2 matrix can be formed by using the 4 elements without repetition. Without repetition అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ 1 పెట్టాను అనుకోండి, మళ్ళీ అది రిమైనింగ్ A12 కానీ A21 కానీ A22 కానీ 1 కాకూడదు అన్న. అంటే ఇక్కడ 4 ఎలిమెంట్స్ లో ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎలిమెంట్ యూ కెన్ ఫిల్ ఇట్. సో దిస్ ద 4 ఛాన్సెస్. దిస్ పొజిషన్ హ్యావ్ ద 4 ఛాన్సెస్. Out of 4 chances, one number is over in the first place. Next, A12 you have the remaining how many numbers you have? 3 elements. So second element have 3 chances. Second element have 3 chances. So one more number complete అయిందన్న. ఇంకా remaining ఎన్ని numbers ఉన్నాయి? So third element fill చేయడానికి 2 chances ఉన్నాయి. Remaining 1 నెంబర్ అయిపోయింది. రిమైనింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి 1. సో లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ చేంజ్ చేయడానికి 1 ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సో ఈ 4 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ని ఫిల్ చేస్తేనే 2 by 2 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. ఎంత అవుతుంది? టోటల్గా 12, 24 మ్యాట్రిక్సెస్ వస్తాయి. 24 డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్సెస్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి అన్న. ఓకేనండి, అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్. 2 by 2 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫామ్ కావాలి బై యూజింగ్ ద 4 ఎలిమెంట్స్ వితౌట్ రిపిటేషన్ ఆర్డర్. వితౌట్ రిపిటేషన్ కాబట్టి A11 ని ఎదర్ యూ కెన్ ఫిల్ విత్ 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. అంటే ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి 4 ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ 1 నెంబర్ ఫిక్స్ చేశారు. సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి 3 ఛాన్సెస్ వస్తాయి. ఇంకో నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేశారు. థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి 2 ఛాన్సెస్, ఫోర్త్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి 1 ఛాన్స్. ఇలా ఎలా అయినా ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు కాబట్టి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ఆల్ వర్క్స్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై ఇట్. Suppose for example same question they asking with repetition. With repetition ఈ వర్డ్ లేకుండా with repetition అంటే దీనికి 4 ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా 4 ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా 4 ఛాన్సెస్, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా 4 ఛాన్సెస్. సో 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 power 4. ఓకేనా? వెరీ గుడ్. I hope you understand that problem. Next చూడండి. If a matrix has 13 elements, then possible dimensions means orders. Possible orders అడిగాడండి. ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి టోటల్గా ఇక్కడ మ్యాట్రిక్స్కి? 13 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కంటే 13 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 13. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 13 చెప్పండి. 13 ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? 13 ఎలిమెంట్స్ని 1 into 13 13 equal to 13 రాయొచ్చు, ఆర్ 13 into 1. ఇంకేమైనా పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయా? సో dimensions of 13 elements matrix is 1 row 13 columns or 13 rows 1 column. 1 row 13 columns కానీ 13 rows 1 column కానీ పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి. ఈ 2 డైమెన్షన్స్ వస్తాయి అన్న. 1 into 13 కామా 13 into 1. సపోజ్ ఇట్ కంటైన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంకోటి ఎలిమెంట్ చెప్తాను. 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి. ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కంటైన్ 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. వాట్ ఆర్ డైమెన్షన్స్ అంటాడు, ఆర్డర్స్ అడుగుతాడు. సో 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటే 1 into 6 రాయొచ్చు, 6 into 1 ఆర్ 2 into 3 ఆర్ 3 into 2. ఇంకేమైనా పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్? లేదు కదా. సో ఈ 4 డైమెన్షన్స్ వస్తాయి దీనికి 6కి. Suppose if a matrix contains 12 elements ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, చెప్పండి ఆర్డర్ చెప్పండి. 1 into 12 or 12 into 1. Next order 2 into 6 or 6 into 2. Next 3 into 4 or 4 into 3. ఇంకా ఆర్డర్స్ వస్తాయా? టోటల్ how many? 1 row 12 columns, 1 matrix type. 12 rows 1 column, 1 matrix types. 2 rows 6 columns, 1 more. Next 6 rows 2 columns, 1 more. Next 3 rows 4 columns or 4 rows 3 columns. ఇలా పాసిబుల్ ఆర్డర్స్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి. కాపీ ఇట్. Coming to statement 1, you can see the question. Statement 1, what is given? One matrix is given, that matrix is nilpotent. Second statement, one matrix is given, that matrix is idempotent matrix. So which of the following are true? Nilpotent means you have to check the a power. The power of a is 0. That is either a square equal to 0 or a cube equal to 0 or a power 4 equal to 0, like that. You have to check it. Is it nilpotent or not? Idempotent means a square equal to a. Is it possible or not possible? You can check it. Statement 1 I am checking. A into a, you have to multiply 2 times. You can take the a 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 3 minus 4 into same 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 3 minus 4. Multiply both. So finally we get 1 into 1 1 plus 3 minus 4. First row into second column. 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 into minus plus 3 minus 9 minus into minus plus 12. So first row into third column. 1 into minus 4 minus 4 3 4 minus 12 plus 16. Obviously you have to check it. That is 0 0 everything 0 0 0 0 0 0 will get. So square of the matrix is a null matrix. So statement 1 is true. This is a true. Statement 2 you can check it. Idempotent means a square value is a you want to get. Nilpotent ante a power n is 0 nana. That is n is any order. Now a square of the matrix is 0, you got it. Obviously. Next you can check the a square equal to a or not. Statement 2. 1 1 3 5 3 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 1 1 3 5 3 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. You can check the first row first element is enough. First row into first column. 1 into 1 1 1 into 5 5 3 into minus 2 minus 6. First row first element is how much you got it? 0. But in the given matrix first row first element is 1. So this is not the given matrix. So statement 2 is false. This is a false. Statement 1 is true. First statement 2 అయిందనా, statement 2 is false. ఎందుకంటే మొత్తం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఫస్ట్ రో ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ కాలం మల్టిప్లై అయ్యింది. ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ 1 రావాలి. బట్ మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? 0 వచ్చింది. సో statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is correct. Okay? Copy it. Coming to this is the what they given 28. A matrix is given, it is a invalidity matrix is given. Invalidity matrix means a square of the matrix is invalidity. That means square of the matrix is, tell what is the square of the matrix equal to? I. Square of the matrix equal to I. Then A is called the invalidity. A is invalid ante A square equal to I kavalana. So A square equal to, you can take the statement 1. A square equal to I is given. A into A, that is x110 into x110 equal to identity matrix, that is 1001. Row into column you have to multiply, that is x square plus 1. first row into second column, x plus 0. Next this one into this, we will get, what will get, x plus 1, first second row into first column, x plus 0. Next two, second row into third column, so second row into second column, 1 plus 0 is given 1 0 0 1. So equate these two, x equal to 0 will get. So this is the true statement, is true. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 you have to check it. What is given? A square value is k into I. A square value is k into I. A square means a into a, that is 0 minus I 0 into 0 minus I 0 equal to k into I means 2 by 2 identity matrix. So row into column you have to multiply. First row into first column, 0 plus I square. Right side, what is the first row, first element? K 0 0 1. So k equal to, what is the value you have? K equal to I square. That means I square value is minus 1. So statement 2 also correct. This is also true. So both statement 1 and statement 2 both are true. This is also true. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are true. These type of questions in JEE Mains they will ask. Yes, coming to next question. Arrange the following matrices ascending order, the value of their trace. Trace of the matrix means sum of all principal diagonal elements. So you can take sum of all principal diagonal elements. What is the trace you have? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. You can take trace of this matrix. What do you get? 2 minus 1 plus 1, that is 2. Trace of this matrix, 3 plus 5, 8. Trace of this matrix, minus 2 plus 8, that is 6. They are asking ascending order. Ascending order means small to bigger. Out of these 4 values, which is the smaller? Option B. Next which is the smaller? Option A. Next smaller value is D. Next smaller value is C. So BADC is the answer. Again I am repeating. Trace of the matrix means sum of all diagonal elements. First matrix summation, diagonal element summation is 3. Second matrix summation is 2. Third matrix summation is 8. D matrix summation is 6. Ascending order means small to bigger, you have to write B, A, D, C. Copy it. Next question. Last question on algebra of matrices. Today I am completing the matrices, algebra of matrices. Tomorrow onwards, tomorrow Saturday, I will take the Zoom class. Zoom class లో మీకు ఆల్జిబ్రా మ్యాట్రిసెస్లో డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేస్తాను. ప్లస్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఇంకోటి ఏం చేస్తానంటే ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఇఫ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ద డౌట్స్ మీన్స్ ఐ విల్ సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్. Now coming to, you can see this is the, if A is any square matrix, observe the following and match the list from list 1 to list 2. List 1 నుంచి list 2 కి మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. A square equal to A అంటే ఏనా? A square equal to A means you can speak out. A square equal to A అంటే it is an idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 3 కి ఉంది. సో థర్డ్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ కామా. A square equal to I. A square equal to I కనుక అయితే then that is called the invalidatory matrix. Invalidity ఎక్కడ ఉందండి? This is the matrix. 5 3 comma 5. A square equal to 0. 0 means nil. Nilpotent. Nilpotent means every element is 0. So nilpotent ekkada undi? Where is the nilpotent? We have fourth one. So fourth. Next A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to I అయితే then this A is called the orthogonal matrix. That is 1. So option, first option contain A have 3. Second one is 5. Third one is C contain 4. Next D is 1. This is the order here. Remaining symmetric. Symmetric means you know A transpose equal to A. That is not there here. Okay na? And one more thing, stay home, stay safe. Don't go outside without measurements. Okay na? All the best. Tomorrow everyone should attend the class for Zoom class. Whatever your doubts, I will clarify. Okay, Nana? Thank you.
చెప్పు క్లాస్
అయిపోయింది ఒక 2 నిమిషం ఒక్క నిమిషం ఒక్క నిమిషం కూర్చో
అయిపోయింది